Hello everyone, welcome. Today, fun video. We are getting stuff done. Getting our outside organized and cleaned and kind of just refreshed for the new season, which I am so excited about. Spring and summer are my jam. I feel like we're so behind on getting all of our furniture out for spring, summer, and I just really want to get out there and enjoy the weather. I don't think we've bought anything. We're just kind of reusing our stuff. I have so much decor down in my little storage room, but I want to show you all the fun stuff that I'm bringing to the front porch this year. I don't even know how many front porch videos we've done, but you guys seem to like them, so we are going to continue to do them. Let me just tell you, I am so excited to be able to sit out on our front porch. Mark's not going to be here for a lot of the video. It's just me. We have so much to show you guys. We have been busy every single weekend. Other things are pressing. Let's get into the video. So many things over the past few weekends, and do not be fooled. This is not done in one day. We just don't have the time to do this in one day. I wish we did. We are super stoked that you guys are here. If you want to hit that subscribe button, we would thank you very much. But in the meantime, grab your big cup of whatever you're going to sit and enjoy and watch the video with, and let's get started. Before we go outside, I know you can do this for indoors or outdoors, so I wanted to show you this quickly. What I like to do seasonally is change up the pillow shams. I keep the same size pillows typically, and I just change the covers. And you can get them so reasonably. I got some of these from IKEA, other ones, I don't know where I got them from, be honest with you. I have a big collection of them. So it's just one quick and easy way to change up your indoor decor, your indoor cushions for the fresh new season.
Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
This back garden, oh my goodness. I have been wanting to do this since they started to sprout, but again, we just ran out of time. And now I'm just trying to get rid of all the dead stuff from last year. I maybe should have done this last year, but I really don't know. I don't love this back garden. I know that it's going to take a lot of work to get it to where I want it to be. So for the time being, like I say, I'm just taking all the dead stuff out. And now these peonies that I'm working on here, oh my gosh, you guys, you should see how tall they are now that this has now been almost a month since I did this. They are massive. Crazy. Can't wait for them to bloom.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Look at the size of this weed.
Ooh.
What's happening?
Today's gonna be a good day.
So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds.
I got this sweet little vase from the thrift store the other day for 99 cents. But look at how cute that is. So today's actually Mother's Day, you guys, and we just got back from my brother's and his better half. He put on a beautiful breakfast for Mother's Day, so that was really nice. And they gave me this plant. So I'm going to try to put it in this front garden and hope for the best. And let's hope it grows year after year. I'll have to read a little bit more about it to learn about it because I really want it to thrive. So the last thing on the agenda for this weekend, other than working on our bathroom renovation, which we did yesterday, and that video went out last weekend. So if you guys haven't seen that, I'll link it below. But let's get back to this garage. You guys, we have had so many deliveries. We've had so much coming in and out of the house for this bathroom renovation that we really just needed to get a handle on it and clean this garage and just kind of organize it a bit better. We do have a car that we park in the garage, so that would be pretty nice if we can get that back in here. So yeah, welcome to this cleaning montage. I didn't know whether to show this part of the video or not, but you know what, you guys, like I say, we had been breaking up our weekends into the bathroom and to doing the outside, and also now going away to a cottage. So now you guys understand why our renovations take so long. We have family things we want to do as well and hang out with friends. And so this weekend in particular is the long weekend in Ontario. So we headed up to Mark's uncle's cottage for a few days. That was lovely. We just hung out, had a lot of laughs, fought off a lot of bugs, but the weather was beautiful. So that was a massive bonus. The holiday of this weekend is the Monday. I think I'm gonna get this. And there happened to be a cute little nursery open that was very local to us that I had never been to. So we called up my parents, went for breakfast with them, and then headed on over there and had a little peruse. And let me tell you, the prices were really good. So I'm gonna have to spread the word and tell more people about it, although they probably already know. I think I probably was living under a rock for the past 20 years. That was disgusting. All right. So you guys, now the part I have been waiting for. Finally, I've got some dirt. I got a few plants that I need to plant. I want to bring all of my plants outside, give them that massive vitamin D over the summer, which they've been waiting for all winter long. It's the best time of year. Love it. I always like to pull out all of my planters and try to get a little bit of a plan for this front porch. I don't like it to look too cluttered. I think the less is more. Our chairs that I'm eventually bringing out are quite large, so it's really only this one side I'm able to let my plants live their best life. First thing I need to do is plant that plant that I just got at the nursery, and then I want to repot a couple of things like I said, now that I kind of have an idea of what I want to do with them all. So I have learned in the past that these Gerber daisies grow beautifully on our front porch. And I don't know what it is, but I'm sticking with it. So I got 2 different colors this time. I might really want to go back and get a yellow one too. I've also learned that I deadhead them and they produce more. So I can't wait. This plant will fill up this entire bucket very soon, judging by the weather that we're having. I didn't show you, but there are drainage holes in this metal galvanized bucket. I think I got it at Walmart years ago. This little shamrock plant that my friend gave me, you can actually plant these, and let me just tell you, it does amazing in this front garden. Well, it did last year anyway, so let's hope for the best. I think the bunnies from our backyard are having a little nibble in our front garden, because I do know around my tree there's supposed to be mini hostas there that keep getting chewed down, so I might need to add a little fence around that area. I'm not sure, because they're not eating anything else except for the hostas. You know what? This actually does well in the sun. This little guy, and not so much. These will probably change, but this is just for now. Look at how cute that it has a little baby in there. Very excited. Oh, they do so well out here in the spring. We'll see what he does there. For now, I'll probably put some candles and stuff because I can actually light them, because inside with the kittens, no. My mother-in-law got me this. How cute is this? I think it's just ornamental, but I'm gonna hang it from this tree right here. Very light. Oh, how darling is this? I'm gonna put that right in there, I think. That's a sweet little pot. What do you think?
I think that's cute.
Yeah.
And that one. That pot looks like a flower.
I know. So this is actually a little lavender plant. I don't know how big it's gonna get. I have 2 lavender plants already. One doesn't look like it's surviving very well in the backyard. I haven't seen it yet this year. But this one here in the front yard is huge. So I might have to put a cage around it because it kind of looks unruly. Professional. Anyways, regardless, this I'm just going to keep in the pot until the fall and then pop it in the garden somewhere when I decide where I want to put it. That's more permanent. You can do these pansies. Do it. Oh, look at that. They're all cuddling together. That was a good water. I can let my daughter off the hook now. I just wanted to say a big thank you to our younger daughter who so nicely helped with the last part of this video. She filmed it all for me. How exciting is that? Why are you lifting 2 things like that?
It's a wicker ottoman. It weighs nothing.
They're home again.
Welcome back.
You guys, thank you so much for watching the video and liking this video. That helps us out too. But in the meantime, enjoy your surroundings, get out there, and I just hope that this video inspired anybody to maybe put your cup down now that you've done watching the video, and get outside and just sweep off your front porch, because that's one step closer to enjoying it. Anyways, you guys, I will talk to you later and have a great day, and thanks for watching.